Hi, I'm Lisa from Speaking Savvy. If you are serious about taking your business to the next level and using speaking as a profitable strategy to grow your business, then I'd love to tell you a bit more about my mentoring program called She Speaks. It's for women who have a message that the world is waiting to hear and who are serious about using speaking as a medium to get that message out there and to really grow your business to that next level. So whether you are an emerging or an aspiring speaker, or you're already somewhere along the journey but you're ready to now take that next step, then I'm here to help you. When I first started my business, I still had a job, and within that year I was able to leave my well-paid job and replace that income through speaking, training, coaching, and I'm now a full-time professional speaker and trainer. Now, I've made a lot of mistakes along the way. I learned the hard way. I hired the wrong people. I invested in the wrong things at the wrong time. And at one time I felt like I was, just spinning on that hamster wheel and going in lots of different directions. And often when I reflect about my own personal journey, I say to myself, if only there was somebody like me where I am now who could have helped me when I was at the beginning of my journey. So that's really the reason why I've put together this program, because I know exactly what it feels like to be passionate about getting a message out into the world, but really not having those sort of business skills or business savviness to know how to market myself, how to brand myself, and how to get that message out to market. So that's what the She Speaks program is all about. It's a blended approach. It is customizable, and all the sessions are live. It's not an online program that I've pre-created. This is a program that we will be working through together live. So there will be one-on-one coaching in person if you're in Perth, virtually if you're located outside of Australia. There'll be group coaching calls which will take place through Zoom on a monthly basis. There will be lots and lots of accountability. There'll be resources, there'll be tips, and there'll be tools. And wherever you are on your journey, I know that I will be able to help you get to that next level, as long as you are willing to commit to the process and you're ready to take action. I've got where I am today by taking massive action consistently, to being able to continually move forward and grow and learn in that process. Now, I have made all these mistakes so that you don't have to, because I'm going to be able to share with you the successful things that I do so that you can take the shortcuts, so you'll be able to get started on your journey much quicker than me. If you are interested in finding out more about the She Speaks program, I only have several places left. I want to keep this group small and tight to start with, because it's important that we are a right fit to be able to work together. So if you want to know more about the program, please comment below or send me a personal message, and let's set up time where we can chat over Zoom and I can find out more about you and your story and work out how I can best help you move forward in getting your powerful message and story out there in the world. I'm Lisa Evans, known as the Story Midwife, founder and director of Speaking Savvy and Stories from the Heart. My new mentoring program is called She Speaks, and I'm ready to help you get started or get moving with your speaking journey. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.